It's called the safety roll. Now there's a few different variations of a safety roll. There's a back safety roll, sideways safety roll, but today we're going to be focusing on the front safety roll. So you want to get on your knees because you know when you're starting out anything, the closer you are to the ground, the better, so you don't roll over any bone that's sticking out or something and get yourself hurt. So you want to be as close to the ground as you can, and if you find a soft place to practice this move, like grass or a pad at a gym, and you know a gym isn't necessary, it might be better because they have better pads, but even sand at a park you might find, just find somewhere soft to practice this move. And so to learn this move, basically rather than rolling straight over your back, you're going to roll sideways like this. Now you can do this move on either side of your back. I personally like to use my right side. It's my stronger side, but I'd recommend learning them both, so that way no matter which way you fall, if you're falling towards your right or your left, you know how to get out of it safely. What I like this move is if you're running full speed, someone's chasing you and you fall and you're going to land on pavement or anything, just go into this roll and you come right back up on your feet in the position to keep running. So the basic movements are, you just get on your knees starting out, then you want to place your hands out and then roll over. I'm doing my right shoulder, but you can use whichever. Just roll over the shoulder you feel comfortable rolling over with. Imagine that you have a line tied from this shoulder down to there, and just try to roll straight over it. That's one of the points to this move, is rolling across it rather than right over it. So this move may not look that neat by itself, but if you combine it with other moves, it looks even cooler. So let's say you're running and then you try to do a Kong vault over a long table and then you start to fall. You just safely do this move and then you look cool because you got up safely and you didn't break anything. And that's one thing that's really helpful about this move. If you're jumping from high objects and you hit the ground and you've never done this before, so it's new, and you're gonna roll over your back and get hurt because all that momentum that you just built up by falling, or you're just gonna drop and roll and just don't feel like doing anything, the safety roll will help you with that, because right when you hit the ground, you know exactly what you're gonna do. You say, I'm gonna do a safety roll, you safety roll into it, jump back onto your feet, and you keep running.